This is a 2011 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.7-liter V8. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, variable valve timing, a passenger side vanity mirror, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. This truck also has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.